If you like money and contents about how to get a wealthy mindset, give us a like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell notification to get more videos like this. Whenever we talk about short-term success, Warren Buffett comes at the top of the list of all the greatest investors in the world. People have money, they have support, and they have the motivation and want to grow their money to become a millionaire as quickly as possible. But success isn't an overnight process. It demands time, determination, and the right methodology to adopt if you want to make money in a short time. There are only a few people who have become self-billionaires, and Warren Buffett is one of those. According to Forbes, the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, who is worth $95.1 billion and holding the fifth spot on the list of the richest people in the world, started investing at his early age. He purchased his first ever stock at the age of 11. So if he's successful today, there are countless decisions behind his 70 years of experience. People follow what he says and obey him to get successful in less time. Here we've listed some top rules described by Warren Buffett to follow if you want to make money in a short time. Cash is king. Money is the king, and Buffett keeps a lot of money in hand at a time. According to him, without money, we can't face the calamities of life, and that's why he always keeps money to withstand unimaginable losses and quickly sees purchase or investment opportunities. We only invest when we have money in hand. If there's no money, we can't take advantage of any opportunity which can benefit us to grow money quickly. In a letter to all shareholders in 2011, Buffett recopied a worthy note from his grandfather from 1939. The advice was, "I have seen many people who at some time or other of their life have suffered in numerous ways simply because they did not have cash in hand. And I hope it never happens to you." That is impactful advice for our own finances. You always need to maintain an extra fund for the unanticipated situation, as this world is so unpredictable and anything unexpected can happen. But still, you must keep cash in your finance account set to go for any kind of investment whenever there's a shortage in the market. You think that buying a specific product can return you higher profits. In case of any emergency hit, you might have purchased low and sold high, reaping tremendous half to 100% benefits on your project. Buy businesses, not stocks. We have seen that most of the investors start investing just after taking information about stocks, their long-term trends, and previous history. Although it's a good approach, Buffett says he never does investment in this way. Whenever there's an opportunity, first of all, he takes a detailed overview of the company. He evaluates the fundamentals, the growth of that business model, its position in the market, and more importantly, its futuristic approach. After doing this all, you can easily choose a business to go with or avoid. Ultimately, you don't buy just the stocks, but a business that will benefit you for a longer period. Buy and hold. Most investors buy stocks, and whenever they see a reasonable profit margin, they sell their stocks. Only a few investors work on a long-term basis. People treat investing like a video game. Once they've invested, they start studying and reacting to market ups and downs on a daily basis. Although this is satisfactory and allows you to manage your money very well, Buffett doesn't follow this method. He warns investors to go like this and advises people to invest in a business on a long-term strategy. When looking for an investment, find one that you would like to have for several years, not one that you plan to flip in a few months. We can relate this example with cryptocurrency history, where a Bitcoin was worth $1 in 2008, and today it has reached the value of almost $35,000. People who invested in 2008 and just kept waiting have gained higher returns on this small investment. Always buy undervalued stocks. Buffett is an all-time value investor and always searches to buy undervalued stocks based on their basic value. Whenever he buys undervalued stocks, he calculates the intrinsic value of that stock by looking at the fundamentals, the company's previous history, return on equity, and its operating margins. A critical piece of this is likewise searching for organizations that have some kind of syndication or uncommon characteristic that will empower it to be fruitful later on. This could be technology, even though Buffett evades tech stocks that he doesn't comprehend, or even administration. These variables can add to intrinsic worth. Ignore daily market moves. According to Buffett, he never paid attention to the daily ups and downs of the stock market. In an interview where he was asked about his company, Berkshire Hathaway, he said, "Just forget about this word, stock. We see there are thousands of organizations priced every day whenever we look at the stocks," he added. These simple strategies can turn your dreams into reality within a short period. If you like money and contents about how to get a wealth mindset, give us a like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell notification to get more videos like this.